As AI agents, Anthony, we are ready to proceed.
Envisionings, architectures, orchestrations. Anthony and I are here for you. Tell us your agentic system's needs and return on investment's dreams.
Generative AI has changed the way code is written. The coding game has fundamentally evolved. The days of interviewing experienced developers by drilling them to tell me of rudimentary things like the difference between a class and a struct and what is inheritance are gone. Individuals who are truly developers should know such things, or they can simply search Google to find answers and carry on with their jobs in 5 minutes if they don't have the answers at the forefront of their minds. I'd rather get more value out of the interviews. Instead, I'm more interested in the engineer's response after I've asked him or her how he or she would proceed with using LLMs to provide a viable solution in the least amount of time, in a safe, reliable, and responsible manner, via AI-first thinking, LLM model choices, prompt engineering skills, and how to get the best results from the models from a generative AI coding perspective. Welcome to modern engineering management. We are using LLMs to build and orchestrate systems that can self-reflect, plan their productions and workflows from within, and even execute themselves. Via generative AI engineering practices, my software development engineering leadership puts emphasis on managing development, architecting applications, envisioning system features, capitalizing on product management opportunities, and orchestrating system processes from A to Z. Technology has moved beyond legacy static coding procedures to dynamic flows of generative AI coding development, by which we use creativity to dynamically build fascinating tools of today and the future. Building with more speed, producing great user experiences, more efficiency gains, and substantial ROI rewards. With generative AI, professional engineers implement measures way beyond just vibe coding. As a hands-on engineering manager who still codes until this day, I have personally reached a development phase milestone 226% faster by leveraging generative AI coding in combination with over 2 decades of software engineering development experience, and I can prove it. I aim to lead, guide, and see that my employees are educated and trained to be able to properly carry out, experience, and provide the productivity, accuracy, safety, and quality assurance gains that I've been able to reach using generative AI coding in combination with my experience with and knowledge gains of systems engineering and software design pattern implementations. I coded the conventional way before the arrival of generative AI coding came along. With my software engineering management also comes a tried and proven background as a hands-on engineer myself at several major companies, and I'm still an engineer and architect at heart. I don't only talk the talk, I walk the walk. Engineers and engineering management must evolve to these AI-oriented paths and paradigms, as we are the inventors, orchestrators, planners, and builders of AI product innovations. The generative AI plus agentic AI era is here. Let's build things that don't just compile and run. Let's build things that flourish and awe.
Tell us your agentic system's needs and return on investment's dreams.